Hello, good morning, namaskar. Today I am going to describe about congenital vocal cord paralysis and other diseases including causes of vocal disorders. Vocal cord paralysis, it may be unilateral or bilateral. Unilateral paralysis is more common. Causes of paralysis: birth trauma or congenital anomaly of a great vessels or heart. Bilateral paralysis may be due to hydrocephalus or intracerebral hemorrhage during birth, meningocele or cerebral or nucleus ambiguous agenesis. Bilateral paralysis present with feature of bilateral abductor paralysis and respiratory obstruction leading to tracheostomy. Phonosurgery. Surgical procedures have been designed to improve the quality of voice. Type: non-neoplastic and neoplastic. So, benign tumor of larynx is divided into two parts: non-neoplastic and neoplastic. Non-neoplastic, they are not true neoplasm but are tumor-like masses. It present more frequently than true benign neoplasm. It also divided in solid and cystic. Neoplastic but are tumor. We see difference between non-neoplastic and neoplastic. Non-neoplastic is of two types, solid and cystic. In solid, vocal nodule, vocal polyp, rings edema, contact ulcer, intubation granuloma, leukoplakia, amyloid tumor. In cystic, ductal cyst, saccular cyst, laryngocele. Neoplastic, squamous papilloma, juvenile type, adult onset type, chondroma, hemangioma, granular cell tumors, glandular tumors, that is pleomorphic adenoma, neurilemoma, rhabdomyoma, lipoma and fibroma. This is difference between non-neoplastic and neoplastic. Cancer of larynx, it prevails 2.63% of total cancer cases. Some common voice disorder include laryngitis, muscle tension dysphonia, neurological voice disorder such as spasmodic dysphonia, polypus nodules or cyst on the vocal cord, that is non-cancerous lesion, precancerous and cancerous lesion, vocal cord paralysis or weakness, white patches called leukoplakia. Following are some of the most common speech disorders that speech therapy treats: stuttering and other frequency disorder, receptive disorder, autism related speech disorder, resonance disorder, selective mutism, brain injury related speech disorders, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder symptoms. What causes mumbling speech? Common cause of speech disorder include alcohol or drug poisoning, traumatic brain injury, stroke, and neuromuscular disorder. Neuromuscular disorder that often cause Slurred speech include amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, cerebral palsy, muscular dystrophy, and Parkinson's disease. Some specific drugs that have been associated with dysarthria include carbamazepine, irinotecan, lithium, onabotulinum toxin, phenytoin, trifluoperazone. These are the allopathic drugs. Homeopathy. In homeopathy, aconite, allium cepa, argentum nitricum, causticum, hypersulp, calibicrom, phosphorus, rustux, drosera uses according to symptoms and cause. Speech therapy also helps in treatment of a speech disorder, may be congenital or acquired. In adult or old age group, if voice is fluttered और फटा हुआ आवाज़ अगर मालूम होता है तो सबसे पहले उसमें हम ब्लड प्रेशर चेक करें। हाई ब्लड प्रेशर के कारण या हमेशा ऊंची आवाज़ या भारी आवाज़ के प्रयोग करने के कारण भी उनकी आवाज़ फटी फटी लगती है, फ्लटर्ड फटा हुआ आवाज़. सो इन एडल्ट और ओल्ड एज ग्रुप वी ट्राई टू identify if he or she suffers from hypertension or generally warm intake habit also cause the altered voice. So we treat voice disorder according to cause, surgical, medicinal or with the help of a speech therapist. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.